class third C. Class third C, GSC, and date today 5/10/2020, and in this lesson 11, light and sound. Lesson 11, light and sound. We are reading this lesson. Last time we have studied about the light, luminous and non-luminous objects, the sources of the light. Also studied about the shadow. Today we are going to study about the sound. This lesson we are going to study about the sound. You know that sound is also a form of energy like light. Sound is a form of energy. It is all around us. Without sound, one cannot talk, listen to music, or sing a song. We hear the sounds all the time. Without sounds, we cannot enjoy the music, we cannot enjoy the songs, we cannot enjoy the voice of the birds. So, how is sound made? How is sound made? When we talk, we make sound. Suppose this is the board and we are hitting this one is the sound is created. By hitting it, it's not the vibration. Our tongue is there. We produce the sound with the help of the tongue. We have the sound box, and in sound box, larynx, and by the vibration of the larynx, our sound is created. So how is sound made? When we talk, we make sound. Our tongue help us to make sound. Our tongue help us to make sound. It is not enough. Only tongue is not enough to generate the sound. Many persons you see that they have the tongue, but they cannot speak. The tongue is not enough, but tongue help in speaking. Our tongue help us to make sound. Sounds are also made by other things. Sounds are also made by other things. The wind makes sound. Winds make sound. When a fan runs, simply when see the fan runs, they create this sound. The wind makes sound. Animals make different kinds of the sound. Cars and machines make sounds too. Everywhere sound. If you open the door, then may also create this sound. If you move, your shoes may also generate this sound. So everywhere we can experience the sound where air is present. Where air is present, we can experience the sound. Wind makes sound, animals make different kinds of sound, cars and machines make sound too. Almost everything around us creates sound. Almost everything around us creates sound. If we are in the forest, plants are there, wind starts blowing, they may also create the sounds. In the forest, birds are there, and other some animals, monkeys may be there. They will create these sounds. If wind blows, they can also generate the sounds. We experienced about thunder. What happens with the thunder? Sound is generated. Sparking of light, sparking of electricity also generate the sounds. So almost everything around us creates sound. When an object vibrates, it makes sounds. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. So sound is created by vibrating objects. Simply we are standing, we are not creating any sound. When our larynx start vibration, then sound is generated. When wind blows, leaves start to vibrate, then sound is generated. Wind itself has no any sound, but when it moves, the things in the way of the wind that start the vibration, and by the vibration of the objects, the sound is generated. So when an object vibrates, it makes sound. Sound can travel through air, water and soil things. So these are the things through which sound can travel. For the movement of the sound, for traveling of the sound, medium is necessary. Without medium, sound cannot travel. Medium may be air, water, metals. Any medium is necessary. Without any medium, sound will not be generated. A vacuum is there is no such sound is there. In moon, there is no such sound. So sound need a medium to travel. Sound can travel through air, water and solid things. Sound needs a medium to travel. Without medium, without medium, sound cannot travel. So sound travel through first step. Sound travel through air. One activity is there. What thing needed? A bell rings. We hear the sound. Thus sound travel through air. When a bell rings, we hear the sound because air is around us. So sound travels through the bell. You have seen the bell and the school bell. You have seen that you can hear, you can listen the sound of the bell due to the ear. So a bell rings, we hear the sound. Thus, sound travels through air. Next activity, sound can travel through water. Sound can travel through water. Another experiment. Take a plastic bag filled with water. Take a plastic bag filled with water. Suppose you take a plastic bag. This is a plastic bag and fill here water. Plastic bag, close this bag. This is water. Completely filled with water. This is the plastic bag and this is water. Plastic bag and this one is the water. Take a plastic bag filled with water, place it against your ear. Place it against your ear. Ask someone to hold an alarm clock against the bag of water. Enjoy hearing the tick tick sound. So, what thing needed? Suppose this is your the ear. Suppose this is your ear and this is plastic bag. This is ear and this is the plastic bag containing water. Containing water. Simply take the balloon. You take the balloon and fill the water in the balloon. Fill the water in the balloon and ask your friend to keep here a watch. It's a watch. You need it. Was an alarm clock. It is better to use the alarm clock. Alarm clock. Here you keep the alarm clock. This alarm clock must be close to the plastic bag or the balloon containing water. And here this ear must also be close. Ear must also be close with the plastic bag. So you can enjoy the sound of tick tick sound of the clock. You can experience, you can enjoy the tick tick sound of the alarm. Why? Yet there is a plastic bag that contains the water. So here the sound can travel from air across the thin layer of the plastic and enters into the water, and from the water it reaches to the ear. So in this way we can experience the sound of the clock. So in this way we can say that the sound travels through the water. So this is second activity. Now next one, is sound can travel through solid things. Next activity, sound can travel through solid things. So today you can study only two activity. You can do this activity at your home. Next time we will discuss about this third activity. Sound can travel through these solid things. Thank you. That's for today.